up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 58 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP by our wonderful mates over at Fanhome. Now if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, follow this link to their website all the way along there. There's a clickable link in the description, and you too can be building this 1/3 scale model with me. Yes folks. So let's have a quick scope through the magazine. This is the history of ROBOCOP, ED209 there. Loyal as a puppy. Absolutely. Gives you a bit more blurbage there on the information behind ED209. This is the parts that we've got: pelvis 8 and support 2. So we've got a little closing panel there for the backside, so we'll need the legs. And then we got the first part of the support that clips around ROBOCOP's waist. And we've got some sections here that are going to be added to it just so that it protects the model from any scratches later on. Shows you it going in place like so. And we'll have some spares of that. And then there's the other clamp half that will just clip together like a pair of pincers. So yeah. And that's where it'll be going on your ROBOCOP, folks. Yes. Next up, 100 years of robots even. There's a starfish. Some more information there. The little nano robot there going after a virus. Just goes to show you, doesn't it, how the technology is going to go. All kinds of carbon nanotubes in the automotive industry. So yeah, it's really quite interesting. They're also looking at it as a thing in a pill there to deliver medicines direct to things. So let's have a scoot through and get all our bits and pieces out. So we've got half the clamp and some padding there. And we've also got a closing panel for the back side there. So let's start with that and get that in place. Now you've got opposing pins. One's right near the corner. That goes down the bottom like that. And then presses in place. And that closes off that screw hole that was at the back there. Okay. So we can put our legs now safely to one side, because they are fragile. I've dinked mine a couple of times, and yeah. Next up, we've then got this waist clamp. Now this is the part that's going to clip or screw to the metal post that goes up from the base. But we basically want to put this film or this padding inside it just to stop ROBOCOP from scratching peeps. Okay, orientate your clamp like so, and we're going around this edge. Okay, let's say and start quite close to the top there. So we're leaving about 5 mil, and then I just want to use my fingers to try to keep it guided reasonably in place, so that I can just roll it along the clamp like so, trying to keep it as near as, damn it, central. Like that. There you go. And that's that now in place. Just run your fingers or your thumbs round there just to press it fully home. And that will stop ROBOCOP from scratching. It's literally just that. Okay, and then this will clip around his torso from behind. You're going to have a spare one of these, folks, so put that to one side and keep that safe. So that's what we've got done today. We got that, and obviously a bit of a closing panel on its back side there. Okay, folks, so we're going to leave it there. Want to build along with me, folks? Follow this link all the way to the website. there's a clickable version below in the description. And take out a subscription, build along with me, folks. In the meantime, you can do me a favour by clicking little Festa Pops in the corner there. Ring the bell whilst you're there. That really helps me grow this channel, keeps you appraised of future content. In the meantime, thanks for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.